Can I clean the coils on my HVAC unit myself?
Absolutely. I mean, I would recommend cleaning of the coils. Now, I would recommend a professional to do it and not you, but if you don't want to call a professional and you want to clean your coils and you have coil cleaner and you have a mask and gloves and water, you read the directions and you dilute it and it's the right amount and you know what you're doing, go for it. But I would call a professional, but you can certainly do it yourself. Have you ever tried to clean your own coils? And no, I'm not talking about with the water hose only. I mean, actually the right chemicals at the right amount for your system. Have you done that? Let me know in the comments.